कंटेंट बनाना है, इसके लिए सिर्फ ये बोल दूं कि ये अच्छा है, हो नहीं सकता, हो नहीं पाएगा एक्चुअली। आई मीन ड्यूई के नाम पे तेल थोड़ा भर दोगे प्रोडक्ट के अंदर, बंदर बन गए। What? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know you all have been waiting for the blush video. I am here to swatch all of these 18 blushes that I have bought in Nykaa Hot Pink sale. These are all the affordable blushes available on Nykaa that I have bought. So we have to talk a lot today. Now, without a further delay, let's get started. Now, there are a few things I want you to keep in mind. First is, I will be applying no makeup on my face, just the Let's Hyphen sunscreen and my moisturizer, because these are everyday tints. People like to apply tints and creams without any foundation and concealer. Secondly, I'll use Bioderma Micellar Water to remove all the blushes, and then I'll reapply my sunscreen and we'll do the swatch on face and on my hand. Okay, now I'm sitting under the panel light of the studio and they are only 20% on, because I want to show you the exact color of the blush and we can discuss about the color and on what skin tones it will work. Now the last thing is, this video is going to be a little longer because these are 18 blushes that I'll be testing. So grab a coffee, grab a drink and sit tight. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's get started. Now the first blush that I'm going to try is Lakme Pink Rosé. Now this one actually looks so pretty. It's easy to apply, but I think you have to build this one. It doesn't come that strongly in one application. You have to build it little by little. It has satiny finish. It looks little dewy on my face, but I still feel like it needs to be topped up with powder or reapply it. While applying this one, I felt the consistency is like how we used to apply a lipstick on our face. This feels exactly same. It's creamy, it's dewy, it's very satiny formula, just like a cream lipstick in a pot. This actually feels like that. Now these are few points you need to keep in mind while trying cream and liquid formula. First, blush always tends to fade away from our face, even if it is powder blush or liquid blush. Okay, if you want the blush to stay a little longer, then you should top it up with a powder blush. Third, these are affordable range that we are trying. These stays good 2 to 4 hours maximum on our face, and then you can always top it up with blush, and you can keep blush in your vanity and top it up with the powder blush only. But they do tend to fade away, and these blushes are good for everyday use, but I'm not talking about the professional use, because for professional use I use other blushes. If you would like to see a video of that as well, let me know in the comments. Next blush that I'm going to be talking about is PAC Dewy Liquid Blush, and it's in collection with Sarah. Looks like this. It looks dewy, it's liquidy, and I think it is very comfortable formula. You can always take strong stains on the back of your hand and then keep on applying little by little in dotted process on your face. Don't just apply directly, it might stay in your face. But this one is actually blendable. ये इतनी जल्दी set नहीं हुआ था face पे, so it is easy to blend and it looks dewy as well. This peach color actually is not suiting me. I am a medium skin tone person, but I feel that it is neither too pink nor too peach, not looking very amazing on my face. Might look amazing on the deeper and on the fairer skin tones. This one says it's only a blush, but I will still apply it on my lips. It's nice, maybe it's just not my color. So somebody with matte skin might like this blush, but in this season, in hot and humid season, also with somebody who has an oily skin might want to skip this blush, because this is very dewy and it feels sticky as well. So if you have textured skin, because oily skin pe acne hote hain, open pores hote hain, so they might want to skip this blush. But otherwise in winters it's going to look nice and dewy depending upon your complexion shade. There are no complaints with the quality of this blush. This is beautiful. Now cream blushes are amazing for winters. They gives you a very dewy finish, but you need to take care if you have an oily skin, because cream blushes does look dewy, which might make your texture on the skin, like open pores, looks a little bigger. However, they also look super cute. Next, I'm gonna try this Insight blush, and this is in shade Venice Rose 05. This again has a doe foot applicator. I like the color of this. This is like a cool pink shade. These kind of colors look really nice on me because I'm a little paler. Easy to blend. It has a very strong smell. So people with sensitive skin, they actually need to do a patch test while applying such strong smells on their face. Color is nice for fair, medium deep skin tones. If you are little more deeper, then you can go ahead with one shade darker than this. Something like deep pink or in red. Or if you like nude colors, then you can go ahead with dusty brown kind of shades. But this is beautiful. I like the fact that it turns into a matte blush because that gives me the freedom to play with the highlighters, to play with all types of skin, because if somebody has oily skin, this can be a perfect blush for them. Or if somebody has open pores in this area, matte blushes are perfect for them. So this is a good blush. I like this blush. The next blush that I'm going to try is by Makeup Revolution, and it's in shade You Got Me Blushing. This has this kind of nib. This is a mauvey kind of shade which looks really good on fair, medium and deeper skin tones. Dries down into a matte formula. You have to move your hands quickly, otherwise it dries down. And it can form little bit of patches. I'll just reapply it on one side. I want to see if I work quickly with this one. Will it work? There is no moisturizer now on this side because I have removed everything. No, you have to work super quickly because it does dry down into a little bit of patchy formula. Now this is a very matte formula. I have applied my sunscreen again, my moisturizer, but this sits where it sits and it's not moving. I have tried 4 times. Such a comfortable color, such a beautiful color, but it is a matte formula. So somebody with super oily skin can go to the store and try it, but this is something I can't suggest you guys to just go ahead and buy it blindly because I don't see it performing. Such a great pigment, but no. Makeup Revolution, you say it's super dewy. How? How can it be dewy? You want me to put a little bit more? Let's see if it actually becomes dewy or not. बंदर बन गए. What? No. Milani Supercharged, and this is in shade Rose Recharge 120. This comes in a stick like this, and this looks very dewy. Just have to twist it around and the formula comes out. Ooh, easy to apply. I would not give a thumbs up to this. This is very dewy. I mean, it's not gonna stay and it makes you look oily instead of that dewiness feeling. It's like too much and it's not gonna stay on lips. It's the formula is such. This is not the formula that stays on for longer time. Longer time, I would say it won't even stay for 1 hour. This looks so weird. However, for screen, it looks beautiful, but it is not something that you can wear and go out. No, this is something that I would never suggest. I love Milani. I mean, dewy के नाम पे तेल थोड़ा भर दोगे प्रोडक्ट के अंदर. No. So Milani, you disappointed me with this one. Next brand I'd like to try is Lakme Lip and Cheek Tint. This is a beautiful color. This is in deep red and it's a pencil, but it was incredibly small pencil. This one has that general cosmetics smell that's there that used to come before in all the products. A comfortable blendable formula, and it's good for everyday use. And I mean, mature skin people can also wear this one, but don't expect too much of pigmentation from this formula. Like a very paisa vasool product, I would say. Not too much, not too less. This is something that I can ask you to buy if you want to start applying tints, if you want to just play with tints, and you can also gift it to your mothers. This is something जिसकी मम्मी को ज़्यादा मेकअप करना नहीं पसंद है, they can try this one. But don't apply this as a lipstick, क्योंकि अगर मेरी मम्मी ने इसे लिपस्टिक की तरह अप्लाई किया होता तो वो सीधा बोल देती कि ये क्या हो रहा है, where is it going? So you have to just puff it into the lips. Just like that. Very simple tint. Very nice. With oily skin people, they can top it off with little bit of blush powder, blush compacts. But it is a nice formula, not bad. Next, I'd like to go ahead with K by Katrina's Rosy Romance. Light pink kind of shade. Katrina's formulas are easy to blend and they stay up to good 3 to 4, 5 hours if you top it up with some powder blush. But I like K Beauty's blushes. Very comfortable formula. Turns into matte, not too dewy, but not too matte as well. I can straight away ask you to buy this formula if you are fair to medium skin tone. If you are deeper skin tone, you can take a deeper color in this one. This one is worth the money, looks beautiful, easy to blend, durable, good to use for every day. K Beauty has done really good job in making this one. It looks pretty. Next is Sweet Cheeks from Prosh Beauty, and I like the packaging of this one. This comes with a very small dough-shaped applicator, but it looks like toffee. I'm going to dot it on my face. This is in shade, what? This is like the Makeup Revolution one. This is a matte formula. Sits wherever it sits. If you will not set it properly and you are not very quick, then it's gonna stain wherever it sits and it's not gonna blend. I'm gonna reapply it once more to clear the doubt. Let's be quick. For me, I want the formula to be workable. I want the formula to be little versatile so that I can just apply it little by little or do something at least with it. This does not give any time. It just asks you to blend it there and then only. So now I have applied my moisturizer, applied it again. But जिसे ब्लश ब्लेंड नहीं करना आता जल्दी से या आपका ध्यान इधर या उधर हुआ, it's gonna look little patchy. So honestly, you can buy this one only if you have oily skin or if you are good at applying tints. Otherwise, this for me is something that I would not reach out to every day for my everyday looks. Let's just apply it on my lips as well. कंटेंट बनाना है, इसके लिए सिर्फ ये बोल दूं कि ये अच्छा है, हो नहीं सकता. हो नहीं पाएगा एक्चुअली. सो आई एम रियली सॉरी, बट जिसे पसंद है बहुत अच्छी बात है, बट ये मेरी ओपिनियन है कि मुझे ये नहीं पसंद है. पैकेजिंग इतनी क्यूट और परफॉर्मेंस, क्या हो गया आजकल. Forever 52 जूसी चीक सॉफ्ट चीक लिक्विड टिंट. इस ब्लश की बात मुझे ये पसंद आई थी कि इसके अंदर पंप भी है, तो बॉटल भी है और पंप भी है, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. लुक्स वेरी ब्राइट पिंक कलर. ओहो हो, easy to blend, has good pigmentation. I have little bit pigmentation on my lips. लिप्स पे अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है. फॉर चीक्स आई थिंक आई लाइक दिस वन. क्योंकि ये स्प्रेड करने में इजी है और इसका कलर कवरेज भी ठीक आ रहा है और इसमें पैचेस भी नहीं बन रहे हैं। इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी से पता चल रहा है कि इसे आप लाइट फाउंडेशन पे भी लगा सकते हो। इट्स समथिंग जैसे वो O2 के ब्लशेस नहीं आए थे वैसा सा कुछ है। सो इट्स नाइस, आई मीन नॉट बैड। आप इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो, बट इससे हाई एंड वाली एक्सपेक्टेशन मत रखना अगर आप अपना पहला लिक्विड चीक एंड लिप टिंट लेना चाहते हो। दिस लुक्स लाइक दिस ऑन द हैंड। ऑरेंज और पिंक का मिक्सचर लगता है, बट जब आप इसे अप्लाई करोगे तो ये पिंक ही लगता है। A good shade for fair and medium skin tones, but if somebody who has deeper skin tone, peachy or dusty color in this one, this can wash out deeper skin tone people. इतना आसान है ऐसा ब्लेंड करना, इट्स नॉट बैड। इसका थोड़ा सा ऐसा स्टेन भी रह जाता है विच शोज दैट ये चलेगा तो लंबा, बट थिंग्स दैट लीव स्टेन ऑन योर फेस, जैसे आपका आईलाइनर हो गया, जो अगर स्टेन आपके फेस पे छोड़ता रहता है ना तो कुछ टाइम में ना वहाँ पिगमेंटेशन डेवलप हो जाती है, क्योंकि वो जो कलर होता है ना वो डिपॉजिट हो जाता है आपकी स्किन पे। तो स्किन केयर के लिहाज से इसे मत देखना, इसे बस मेकअप के लिहाज से देखना कि ये एक ठीक परफॉर्म करने वाला ब्लश है। हो सकता है मेरे और आपके विचार मिलते ना हों, तो आप जाकर इन ब्लशेस को ट्राई कर सकते हैं और फिर ले सकते हैं। हर किसी की स्किन सेम नहीं होती, हर किसी का कॉम्प्लेक्शन सेम नहीं होता और टेस्ट भी सेम नहीं होता। तो आपको जो पसंद है आप उसके हिसाब से आगे बढ़ सकते हो, लेकिन ये बस मेरी ओपिनियन है और अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो तो आई एम श्योर कि कहीं ना कहीं आप मेरी ओपिनियन लेना चाहते हो। तो नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई इज अर्थ रिदम लिप cheek tint. I think this is in shade Mermaid. मैं यहाँ नीचे लिख दूंगी। Oh, this looks like this. Very light pink, cool pink kind of shade. खूब सारा आ गया। स्प्रेड तो हो रहा है बट लग नहीं रहा है। Not for oily skin, good for matte skin, looks dewy, difficult to blend, can look a little bit patchy if not spreaded nicely, good for fair to medium complexions. For deeper complexion they can try, but this is like a cool pink shade. तो कई कई deeper complexion पे ना अच्छा लगता है, पर super deep है अगर तो नहीं अच्छा लगेगा। For hot and humid weather, I think you will get irritated after applying this. This is so dewy and oily. This is like this Milani thingy. शायद मैं इसे winters में किसी दिन use कर लूँ if I want to show dewy look, but it's not gonna stay. It's not gonna stay because it's so dewy. See, अगर मैं इसे यहीं rub करती हूँ, so it's going. It's not here. It's not gonna stay. See, the whole thing is not well blended. Like it's some in some areas it's more, in some areas it's less. It's मजा आ भी रहा है और नहीं भी आ रहा है। Like if you want to see yourself looking dewy on a Kashmir vacation or in very thanda area, if you want to look dewy, this is a good blush for that place. Like, but for hot and humid weather, for everyday use, I mean, you don't want to go to office like this, you don't want to go to college like this, so it's not very practical, I would say. No, good for photography only, I would say. Yeah, that's the perfect word. Next is in color blush, and I don't understand why there are no names on the blush. We always throw the packaging. Again, a cool pink kind of a shade. Doe foot applicator. Same problem. Matte. हाथ ही नहीं मूव कर रहा। When I blend it, can you see कहीं ज़्यादा है कहीं कम है? Although I am moving all fingers together. That is what is known as patchiness. No. मतलब यहाँ लगाते लगाते मेरे को इतना This is double application of this blush. I've tried it again. I've tried to blend it. So this is good for oily skin, I would say. It has good pigment, like it has a lot of color in it, but tough to blend. For sensitive skin people, this has a fragrance, so you should do a patch test before applying this. I would give 5 out of 10 to this blush. This is something like that. मैं हर चीज़ इसी क्राइटेरिया से देखती हूँ कि मुझे अगर किसी ने ये चीज़ बताई होती, being a professional makeup artist or somebody who has knowledge, और अगर उसने मुझे ये चीज़ बताई होती और मैंने ले ली होती, तो मुझे कैसा लगता अगर ये मेरी स्किन पे काम नहीं करती. सो दैट इज़ द मेन आइडिया बिहाइंड दिस थिंग कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं जो बताऊँ वो काम करे. अगर वो काम नहीं कर रहा है या आपको एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स डालने पड़ रहे हैं, तो मेरे लिए वो प्रोडक्ट फिर चीटिंग है बनाना. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू गो अहेड विद एल्फ पटी ब्लश. इसके बारे में तो मैंने बहुत सुना है. आई होप दिस वन वर्क्स. दिस इज इन शेड कैरेबियन and this looks like this, something like deep red. I know about this blush that this is a matte blush. अब ये भी तो ब्लेंड हुआ ही है, इसमें तो मैंने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं कर दिया ना, सीधा इसको डॉट डॉट अप्लाई करके ब्लेंड किया है. You can invest in this one if you have oily skin. This is a matte blush, and if you want to share it with your buddy, with your friend, then you can always scoop out a little bit of product. But these kind of pots are little not sanity wise, they are little tough to keep the sanity, because you have to dig in your finger again and again and then take it out of the pot. But good to use on self if you have clean hands. Being matte, I would say, like, this is gonna stay. This is gonna stain, and this is gonna stay for good 2 to 3 hours. I like this blush, but on a matte blush, you can't keep on reapplying the powder blush because that can make you look too matte sometimes. Otherwise, it is beautiful. Like, इसमें मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ये बहुत ही एक बेकार प्रोडक्ट है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. गुड पैसा वसूल प्रोडक्ट. इट्स नाइस, नॉट बैड. This product will go on fair, medium and deep skin tones because this is like a deep red kind of color. So this will work on all skin tones. कैरेक्टर कॉस्मेटिक्स चीक रूज, ये मैंने ना कल लगाया था एक वीडियो में, आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे. इसके साथ पंप आता है. पैकेजिंग इज़ नाइस. ये अगेन मुझे O2 जैसा ही लगता है क्योंकि इसका कवरेज आता है और ये क्रीमी है, इजी टू ब्लेंड है. पर ये थोड़ा सा ही बहुत सारा हो जाता है, तो इसे आपको थोड़ा ही लेना है क्योंकि ज़रा सा लगाओगे और बहुत सारा हो जाएगा. गुड फॉर अ फ्रेश लुक. अगर आप एक वैनिटी बना रहे हो, मेकअप वैनिटी बना रहे हो, तो ये आप ले सकते हो. इसके ऊपर आप पाउडर ब्लश लगा सकते हो एंड इट विल लुक नाइस. It dries down to a matte finish, but it's not that matte. Like, it's good. But for this, you need to know that how to blend a brush, how to handle a liquid blush with a lot of pigment. But not bad. और इतना सारा है ये. I think it's gonna stay for a longer time in your vanity, and not a bad blush, I would say. But this one has fragrance, so sensitive skin people, please check. I like the color as well. It's like cool pink kind of shade, and it looks beautiful. I mean, it looks little mauvey on the hand, but when we apply it, very little mauvey, but more towards the pink. But a beautiful color. I would give it somewhere around 7 out of 10. मैं आपसे ये भी जानना चाहती हूँ कि जो ब्लश काम नहीं करते, मैंने आपको यहाँ आके बताया, तो क्या मैं आपको आके बताऊँ ही नहीं और जो सिर्फ काम करते हैं उन्हीं की वीडियो बना दूँ, या सबका रिव्यू दिया करूँ? क्योंकि मैं नहीं हूँ, तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि क्या करना चाहिए, कि आके बताना ही नहीं चाहिए या सिर्फ जो काम करते हैं उन्हीं के बारे में बताऊँ. आई लाइक टू नो अबाउट दैट. So next is Recode Ace of Base. I like the fact that it has a pump. Pumped it like so many times, it doesn't come out from the pump. I don't know if it has dried down or product ही ऐसा है, but it doesn't comes out of the bottle. So I took out a little from here and I applied it. It's a very dark shade, dries down to matte finish. Will give it 4 out of 10. इसे 6 मिल सकते थे, बट पहली बार तो इसका पंप ही काम नहीं कर रहा है, इससे काम नहीं कर सकते। ये एक बजटेड मेकअप वैनिटी जो लोग बनाते हैं, जो कि 20,000 के अंदर सारे प्रोडक्ट्स रखने होते हैं, उनके लिए वो ये रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसका पिगमेंट अच्छा है, ये अप्लाई करने में ब्लेंडेबल है। अगर प्रोफेशनल का हाथ होगा तो वो ब्लेंड कर लेगा। अगर आपको ब्लेंड करना आता है तो लेस अमाउंट में इट्स अ गुड ब्लश, नॉट अ बैड ब्लश, बट अगर ये खुलेगा ही नहीं तो क्या होगा? दे से इट्स लॉन्ग लास्टिंग मूस ब्लशर। ब्लेंड करने में देखना पड़ता है, और ब्लेंड हो जाए तो अच्छा लगता है फेस पे। नेक्स्ट इज Massaba's Band Buzzer blush, and this is in shade Brown Kuri. I want to apply my moisturizer. My face feels so sensitized right now. Taking the blush. Now this one looks like peachy brown, very natural shade, very brown kind of shade. It will look really good on all skin tones for nude purposes. It dries down to matte blush. This is an old blush that I had, but I wanted to include it over here in this category because this is a budgeted blush. So this one again is little tough to apply, but I like this blush for the fact that color is really nice and it gives very natural finish, and once you merge it into the skin, it looks beautiful. It's not a bad product, but I can say I'll give it 5 out of 10. After checking all these blushes, I feel that K Beauty's blushes are still better than these blushes. टाइम किसके पास होता है कि रोज़ इतना ध्यान दो कि ब्लेंड नहीं हो रहा ब्लश, इसे अच्छे से ब्लेंड करना है। नाउ दैट आई हैव ट्राइड टू ब्लेंड, इट हैज़ ऑलमोस्ट गॉन इनटू द स्किन। लाइट्स में ये फिर भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा है, अगर नेचुरल में देखोगे तो थोड़ा और कम लगता है ये। दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ शेड इट हैज़. I like this blush for the fact that this shade is so beautiful, but tough to blend, not for matte skin, only for oily skin tones. Next is Inside Cosmetics Strawberry Drip. 90 रुपए का blush है ये. This is again a pot blush. It looks like this. इस shade के बारे में मैंने काफ़ी सुना था, Strawberry Drip. This looks like a peachy shade. Yeah, it's corally shade. ब्लेंड आप करने में थोड़ी सी मेहनत लगाओगे, बट आप इसमें कोरल कलर भी देखोगे, पिगमेंटेशन भी देखोगे। बैड डील, उतनी पिगमेंटेशन नहीं दे पा रहा है लिप्स पे, बट फॉर चीक आई एम हैप्पी विद इट. लाइक you can definitely buy this one. This is Strawberry Drip from Inside Cosmetics. Earth Rhythm के मेरे पास 2 same shades आ गए थे, so that I'm not gonna apply. Inside Cosmetics is the last blush that I want to apply, and why I kept it for last, because this one stains. I have seen while I was doing swatch test, I applied it, और इसे मैंने जहाँ लगाया ये वहीं रह गया था. So blend it super quick. Can you see? Now can you see? अभी तो 1 सेकेंड ही हुआ है. So this creates patches. I don't know इसके इतने चीज़ें लोग अच्छी कैसे बोलते हैं, because इसका पिगमेंट अच्छा है. आई वुड से ये स्टे भी करेगा, है भी अच्छा, लेकिन जब इसको लगाने लगो तो इसे जहाँ लगाओ ये वहीं रह जाता है. अब आप इसे मेहनत करके लगा तो लोगे, ये स्टे भी करेगा क्योंकि ये स्टेन करता है, बट योर चॉइस, योर कॉल. एक बार और हटा के लगा के देखें. Okay, let's moisturize our face nicely, okay? In case somebody moisturizes their face nicely and then they want to quickly. Still, I can see some patches. I would not recommend this to a person जिसे ब्लश लगाने में महारत हासिल ना हो. मुझे तो लगता है मुझे भी नहीं है, क्योंकि मुश्किल है. So in the end, I'm giving you a list over here जो ब्लश मुझे पसंद आए, but जो नहीं पसंद आए, I am happy that I'm not wasting your money, and with this review, it can be of little help to you to invest on those products. But this is my opinion. If you would like to buy them, please buy them. If you will follow somebody else, and maybe my opinion is not the world's best opinion, so you can definitely think about it. But I always try to apply the product in front of you and then give you the natural reaction that comes from within. मैं ये कोशिश नहीं करती कि मैं पीछे सब कुछ करके देख लूँ और फिर बहुत रिसर्च कर लूँ और मैनिपुलेटिव हो जाऊँ और फिर उसके बाद बोलूँ. वो मुझसे नहीं हो सकता, ना होगा. But I'm happy that we found some good products in this search. So yeah, that was it. This is Neha Devgan signing off. मैंने Revlon की 5 लिपस्टिक्स भी मंगाई हैं which are very famous for their colors. So वो वीडियो मैं Monday डालूंगी. If you want me to come on live and try any of the blushes in front of you again, आप मुझे इस वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट करना. मैं संडे को लाइव आऊंगी मॉर्निंग में या इवनिंग में. I'll come live and I'll show you live demonstration of these blushes as well. Just in case अगर किसी को कोई भी confusion है, it's my promise to you that in the search of good products, I will only and only suggest you the products which actually delivers, and I also like those products which delivers. कौन ऐसे product लेना चाहता है जो काम ही ना करें, right? So I can be the medium to find those products for you. That's what I can say. So this is Neha Devgan again saying bye-bye with the blush tints on my hands. Bye.